Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove horizontal scroll bar on animation in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we added animation slide in right or slide in left. So when animation show, then on bottom you see horizontal scroll bar. So we are going to hide it. Now scroll down. Now you see horizontal scroll bar. Again refresh the page. Again you see horizontal scroll bar. When slide in left, slide in right, animation working. So we are going to hide it and we are going to add custom CSS. So you can add custom CSS in WordPress or PHP website. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So we added body overflow-x hidden. So click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page again and refresh the page. Now you don't see any horizontal scroll bar when sliding right or sliding left animation work. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.